It's the classic battle on the showroom floor. The premium top-tier powerhouse. This is the reasonably good budget-friendly contender. In one corner you have the ultimate precision tool engineered for maximum pickup, zero splatter and a flawless finish. Trust me, it is always worth splurging on the absolute best. Or can a smart mid-range choice hold its own? Especially when the paint starts flying. Buying a cheap budget roller is like having a husky shedding its hair during a midlife crisis. Except here you don't have hair on your couch, but it's super glued to your wall paint. Hamilton's entry-level roller is the Hamilton's Viva All-Purpose Roller. It is solvent resistant, and at least we put on a sleeve to give you an indication of what the roller is to be used for. And some tips on the back of the sleeve on cleaning and maintenance. And the roller's beveled edge is an absolute game changer for achieving a flawless, streak-free finish. The Viva All-Purpose Roller is about 20% more in price compared to your cheaper synthetics, but that's 20% more satisfaction. Here's some emotional scarring. Buy yourself a very cheap budget roller like this one, which typically uses a very low-grade thin polyester or foam sleeve wrapped around a flimsy, flexible wire frame. On the sleeve of an opposition's roller, it says thermobonded, but then I don't understand why there is a need for staples. Thermobonded rollers use heat to fuse the fabric directly to the plastic core, eliminating the need for adhesives or staples. So the real classic roller carries the solvent-resistant label. So using a non-thermobonded roller, especially with a sensitive fabric like mohair, for me, it leaves visible track lines. So if you really want that ultimate smooth finish, especially with solvent-based paints, the Hamilton's mohair is a winner. At Hamilton's, we have our names stamped to our handles and printed on our roller cores, and I think that calls for an applause. So budget rollers have their place in the market, and while budget rollers are great for quick little jobs where you just want to paint and then throw the roller away, if you're investing in a premium roller, it's going to be saving you time, paint and effort on your main projects. So whether you've purchased an entry-level Viva All-Purpose Roller or a classic for a rough wall or a mohair for gloss enamels, you are assured of the perfect finish.